What's up everybody, Alex here from Uncanny Wellness, and today bringing you another video to talk about all of the new marijuana laws that got passed in the 2020 election. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And now without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the 2020 election was really big for marijuana law and policy. Every single state that had a measure on the ballot got passed. Montana, Arizona, and New Jersey voted to legalize adult use of recreational marijuana. And South Dakota went right ahead and legalized both medicinal and recreational use of marijuana. The surprising one was Mississippi, which voted to legalize medical marijuana, making it one of the first southern states to take on any laws like that. What we can expect to happen next is that even though these laws were now passed and voted on, the states themselves need to now come out with the regulatory framework and structure to actually put these new policies into place. So it still might be some time before anything's actually seen on the ground in those places. When we zoom out now and look at the big picture of the landscape here in the United States and what the marijuana laws look like, now we're up to 15 states that have fully legalized the recreational use of marijuana and 36 states that have legalized some form of medicinal marijuana. That's huge progress from where we were just a couple of years ago. More recently, the House of Representatives voted to decriminalize marijuana. They voted on something called the MORE Act, which stands for the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment Expungement Act. Basically, that would do the following. It would decriminalize marijuana on a federal level and take it off of the controlled substances list. It would eliminate criminal penalties for people that work with or use the plant. It would create a process to remove prior convictions, and it would review the sentencing for previous federal marijuana offenses. Now, unfortunately, just because the House of Representatives voted positively on this MORE Act, it doesn't really mean much as far as changing laws, because it would still have to pass the Senate, and it would still have to then be signed in by the President, and it is very unlikely that it's going to get that far this time around. But this is a very, very positive indicator for the direction that the laws are going, because now we have 36 different states out there with some form of either adult use or medical marijuana laws, and so many House of Representatives are now voting in favor of decriminalizing on a federal level. So it's just kind of one step at a time here that the laws are improving. Politicians are coming around to realizing that they want to get on the right side of history, and they want to legalize this plant and get rid of the nonsensical prohibition that we've had for the past 80 or so years. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like it, share it with a friend, subscribe below, leave a comment, and until next time, take care. Peace.